GE microwave model JVM3160EFES error codes. Use the convenience cooking controls on this GE over-the-range microwave oven to make meals in a flash when you're on the go. This combination vent and microwave features 2 speeds for keeping cooking exhaust to a minimum. Set defrost times on this GE over-the-range microwave oven manually or automatically, and turn on the turntable for fast, even heating. Error codes. Code F1. Problem: open thermal sensor, due to excessive heat in microwave cavity. Code F2. Problem: shorted thermal sensor. Code F3. Problem: shorted touchpad panel. Code F4. Problem: open humidity sensor. Code F5. Problem: shorted humidity sensor. Code F6. Problem: shorted temperature probe. Code F10. Problem: shorted touchscreen. Code probe. Problem: open temperature probe or the probe is not plugged in during a temp cook function. Make sure probe is firmly inserted into the wall of microwave and the food item. Code 888, 8888 or PF. Problem: it is possible to see this display upon initial installation or after power was restored due to a power failure. This display can be cancelled and normal operation resumed by touching the clear pad. The clock can be reset on models so equipped. Code 18 power watch code. Problem: indication of an issue with the electronic control in the microwave.